I guess we can't talk about this without talking about the root cause of the problem. And the root cause of the problem is that the United States is not the most powerful country in the world. Israel is the most powerful country in the world. And Israel runs the United States.
Kabwit pa kubor ba ya perca jong utrom teng ushit teng ukret hakawai kesngi uit yapi hakawai kesngi uisi yapi bat kani ka penki ya kiperlok jong ka Amerika Shakibor ba yale perca maham unong thok kubor balarimha jong kari Amerika Rick Sanchez ulai ya ka jingkan thok ka bajur halor ka jingkala jong ka bor sanchar ha ka perthai da ka bakan thok ba ka polisi bari kababakla jong ka Amerika hapo ka jing sanchar jong Donald Trump kalapan state yala ka jong ka jing hier lani khlem katba khlem datip kapan khlan ya ka jing yate lok ki bayale percha habakren hadin ka jing yalang jong ka Shanghai Cooperation Organization Sanchez uladroy ya ka dor jong kari Amerika kabalanang penkerpang no daki khobor ki baya percha jong kahi usngem khriat hakawai kesngi uit yapi hakawai kesngi ushun yapi laong Sanchez chapang karukom kren jong Donald Trump ka jing petpoi khobor kabami na kini kesngi na kari Amerika kalong kaba penkelumar jengmut hadu kata-kata hadu ba kepenlong yaki bru ban perkhat hatu laki dei ban le yaka lani tang ban ino yaka bat ka ei kababun kibru kijit ban le kalong ba kiju ino yaka na kaliang ka kam khai kani ka jing bom yahap kap penkhin ya kinong rim bakong san jong ka kam khai lada phidei unong khai basisha phin satib ba ka kam ka bakhadu ka ba phikwa ban le ya kiwai kalong ban penklumar yaka kadai bandon ka jing long bit ha ka jing penpoi khobor ulakan tho kani ka jing klumar Sanchez ula ajing mut kapanlong ya kiperlok bayajan jong kari Amerika bakin watno da kiwai pat kiperlok batmai ola batai kumno ka China kasdang yale persha ya ke India da ka baong yaki pej ngin long ki perlok jong phi ngin long ki perlok khai jong phi ngin thit yaki mar jong phi ngin yasam yaki mar po khandeu ki baduna bat phi to ngin yalum lang bat ngin le na ka banta iwai pat ya ka ei ka ba phila kermen ba kari Amerika kan le na ka banta jong phi ka ba phin omshan ya shu ki jingta kilong ki bajaliu Sanchez ungit ba ka jingyatali jong ka BRICS ka badang mi kabu ya ka jing ka bakraw ya ka jing sanchar jong kiri sepngi kine kiri ki bayawan lang ha ka jing yalang ba kilong ki bala banlong da ka bayawan lang ki ba kham khlanbor shibun ban ya ka G7 bat kham khlan shibun ban ya ka no ka jing yatali jong kiri sepngi kenthop ya ka Washington ulamaham ka ba kham phala kalong ka jing pejnia jong Sanchez shapang ka rukom sanchar utrom ban pensuk ya kine ki jing yatrelang ki bathamai ubriu ubalabat ya ka jingkhang bapli udai Donald Trump uong shisha ya ka Russia ngimkwa banlong perlok chongphi leitlong perlok bat ka China ulokadeu utei nong tho khobor ulapan pau ya ki jinglong arliang ha ka jingyadei bat ka ri Amerika kalong ka babha ya President Donald Trump ban let ya kendu ya President Putin kalong ru ka babha ya UDC banyak kendu ya ka Beijing hanrei kamlong ka babha ya umudi banyak kendu ya kiju kinong yalam haot kalong ka basneu tenat hanrei phimla ban le pat ya ka jingkala ha ka kolshoru ki paushai da ka bashim na ka jingle jingwan jong ha ka lingsun aeroflot Sanchez ulayoi ngiju ya le kai ya ki film Amerika hanrei omnang ne shakmat om shimladon bon ki film Amerika om don ai ha ka menu ka balong jong ka Amerika phitip phile sha kirukan di film bat phim yoi ya ki mar Amerika lese ka ba khampan klumar jengmut Sanchez ulai ka jing bishar bnia ya ka jinglong basisha jong ka bor jong ka Amerika kari Amerika kamdei kari ka bakhlan bor tam ha ka perthei ka Israel kadei kari ka bakhlan tam ha ka perthei bat ka Israel ka penyat ya kari Amerika hakabaya dei bat ka jingya dei jong kari Amerika bat kari Amerika ka shuwiar ya kari Amerika ula jingmut ba kane ka jingkala ka penjngai yala ka jong kanong rim jong utrom kita kinong sngap jong ka Meka ki phai persha ya utrom Sanchez ulupengkut ba ka jingkhang jong ka Amerika na ka banta ban penbej ya kilenti kala ban khang ka jingya dei kabala pelong menta bat ke China kalalong kabajngai palat ha kalenti na kabanta jongki banrai บัญญัติเบียงยากาอุลามะฮัมดากะบะอาจึงหมดบากระกมไตรกรรมบำยหับจงอุตรมกะละเท่ายากะจึงกะลากะบะอมละบันปันพายชากะไอกะบะโคดกาจึงเป็นกระปังยาลาดีจงกะอเมริกาหากะประเทศกะบะละนังบุญใจ
I guess we can't talk about this without talking about the root cause of the problem. And the root cause of the problem is that the United States is not the most powerful country in the world. Israel is the most powerful country in the world. And Israel runs the United States. Israel, remember that lapdog I told you about with the Mr. Modi story I said a little while ago? Where, Mr. Modi's trying to tell Mr. Trump, look, we're not your lapdog. And every time you say bark, we're not going to bark. And every time you say sit, we're not going to sit. And every time you say stand, we're not going to stand. Well, when it comes to the United States-Israel relation, Israel says bark, the United States barks. Israel says, stand, and the United States stands. And same with sitting, I guess. And that's the reality. And anybody who tells you differently is lying. If Mr. Netanyahu decides he's going to go to Congress and give a speech, there's nobody in the United States who can tell him no. If Mr. Netanyahu wants a reporter in the United States fired because he doesn't like what he said about him, that reporter will be fired. And I don't care if he works at the New York Times or CNN or Fox News or wherever. The United States literally runs the United States, Israel runs the United States foreign policy. It's as clear as day. It's the reason we invaded Iraq. It's the reason we were in Afghanistan. It's the reason we did what we did in Syria. It's the reason we're doing what we're doing in Yemen. It's the reason we did what we did in Libya. And it's now the reason that we're backing them 100%, what looks like an extermination or a genocide in Gaza. And